These are the Unity Hybrid removable and adjustable epaulettes. Installing the epaulettes is quick and easy. Take your epaulette and make sure that the point is facing inward. We're going to open the strap and remove the top layer of the shoulder strap. We're going to lift up the center strap and we're going to place the epaulette on the upper shoulder portion and close that loop. We're going to place the middle strap back down, which gets this nice and secure. The final step is to weave the outer strap back through, pull everything nice and tight, and you have a beautiful epaulette that is removable at any time. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Just be careful to make sure that you have it at the same point as your other epaulette. And I get that closed off, get that nice and secure, weave that in, pull it back, and there we have it. You have installed your Unity Hybrid epaulettes.